So hey guys, welcome back. I'm just gonna get straight into the video. Basically, I did a video on Instagram showing you guys my spaghetti a while back, and this is what I do to my spaghetti. It's really easy, super simple. You're just gonna need some zucchini, I believe it's called in English, and some purple onion. I use whole wheat spaghetti, and then I just use Prego sauce. I use traditional, or you can get whatever one you prefer. You can use your own spaghetti sauce. And then these are the ingredients you're gonna need. And then I use ground turkey. Okay, so this is the ground turkey that I use. You can use ground beef, whatever you like. You could just do it with sausage. Honestly, you could just do it however you like, however you do your regular spaghetti, but this is how I do it. So I'm gonna thaw this out. I'm gonna put this to boil, and then I'm gonna cut the veggies and all that stuff, season the meat, and I'm gonna bring you guys along with me and show you guys my quick and easy, super easy, delicious recipe. My kids love it. Honestly, my kids eat anything. There's only a handful of things that they don't eat. So yeah, just stay tuned and keep on watching if you guys want to see my super easy and delicious spaghetti. So basically, first thing is first, I have a pot of water and I just fill it up almost all the way basically, and then I add some salt into the water. Honestly, I don't measure, I just kind of just throw it in there, and then I put a dash of olive oil, and that's just so the noodles don't get stuck together, because I hate when they get stuck together and then they don't cook all the way, and yeah, it's just a whole mess. So basically that's that. The box of spaghetti that I do use is this one. I always get the Walmart brand, and I think it's like 1 pound or something. Yeah, this is the 1 pound box, since like I said, we do all eat it, and it's a family of 5, and I love to have extra, so I rather make a lot than not enough. And then once the water starts to boil, once the water starts to boil, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna break these in half, and then I'm gonna throw them in there, let them cook, and basically cook the pasta like how you would cook any pasta. But a lot of people are first-time cookers, and I just want to show you guys like super easy ways to make dinner. You don't have to, you know, be a whole chef to do this, but yeah, I'm just gonna be like super thorough this whole video, show you guys step by step. And I know it's super easy, but I'm still gonna show you guys because I got a lot of questions. So like I said, basically in this whole video, I'm not going to be showing my face because I do look crazy and I have been breaking out. And yeah, so first make sure you wash your hands and wash your veggies. So this is a zucchini, so hopefully it's bright enough for you to see, but I have 2 zucchinis. So what I do is I always cut off the edges first, and then I'm just going to chop them up. The easiest way to cut them up, and the way I usually do it, is in half. And then I just cut some slices, and it's really your own preference, but this is something that I make for dinner or for lunch for the kids when they get home from school. But yeah, you're gonna just cut them in half little bones. You can also add other veggies, like some mushrooms, some spinach, whatever else vegetables you would like. But honestly, I just keep it pretty simple for the kids. And since we love zucchini in the house, I try to cook a lot with zucchini and add vegetables to our dinner. So this is what they're gonna look like, basically, like little half moons. And like I said, that was 2 zucchinis. And then I'm gonna get the onion now, and I'm gonna cut it off where like the little hairs are at. And honestly, I don't use that much onion. I like onion, but I don't love it. And the onion, honestly, I just cut however. So I'll cut them in circles, and then I'll cut the lines, and then I'll turn it. And the onion, I feel like I do maybe like half the onion. So that's what I'm gonna do here. And again, it's a circle. I cut it in lines, and I'm not no professional chef or professional chopper, but this is how I cut it. Okay. So that is that. And make sure you peel the outer layer of the onion. I always forget. Ugh, my eyes are crying. So yeah, this is pretty much it. So basically you're gonna get a pan. It's gonna be on medium heat. I added some olive oil, and then I'm gonna throw in the veggies, but since I am recording with one hand, I can't record and do it at the same time. But I'm gonna add the veggies, saute them for a little bit, and then add in the meat and season it all together. So before I forget, what I seasoned the ground turkey and the veggies with will be onion salt, garlic powder, black pepper, and some garlic salt. I just kind of just throw it in there and taste it as I go. I start off a little by little, and then I'll start to taste it as well, like, you know, as I'm going. And if it needs more flavor at the end, remember you're gonna put the spaghetti sauce, and the spaghetti sauce has a lot of flavor. And once you throw that in and you need more flavor, then I would add some garlic salt, but it's really up to you. It's optional, however you want, but make sure you do season your meat and your veggies. You could just season them lightly if you like, but yeah. So basically that's what you do. I just showed you guys all the sauces and how much I put in there. Like I said, I kind of just coat it and keep going. I know this is just a spaghetti, but honestly, I don't like plain and simple food like that are bland. So this is how I kind of hook up my spaghetti. But yeah, I'm gonna finish cooking this, stir it all together, and then I will cover it and let it cook for about 30 minutes on medium heat. And we'll come back in a little bit to see what it's looking like. I'm about to throw in the pasta in the boiling water. So once everything is cooked in here, I'm gonna add the sauce. I'm gonna add a little bit of water in here, shake it, and then throw the rest in the pan. So this is what it's looking like. I'm gonna close it and let it boil together for about 5 minutes, and then I'm gonna drain the noodles. So this is basically the pasta sauce, and then I'm gonna drain the noodles. As you can see, I made a freaking mess because I went upstairs to go shower my son. But I'm gonna clean this up right now, drain the noodles, and then I will add the noodles in here. So yeah, let me be right back. All right, so this is basically the outcome. I dropped some noodles, but I just threw them all in there together, and basically I stirred it. I served myself before putting everything in there, so you can eat the noodles separate and just put the sauce on top, however you prefer. But this is basically it, and then you can add some Parmesan cheese on top. Excuse my mess. And yeah, this is it. Bon appetit. So I hope you guys enjoyed my little food vlog. I actually get a lot of feedback on my food vlogs, and I love it. So if you don't follow me on Instagram, I will insert my Instagram here. And like I said, I'm so sorry that I didn't show my face in this video. I kind of feel rude, but I do look a little crazy. Like I did say, I'm breaking out, and I have so much going on today. I'm so sorry, guys, but enough excuses. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you try it out and you remake it, please let me know how you guys liked it. I hope you guys enjoyed, and thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up if you enjoyed, and subscribe down below. Thank you so much. Have a great day. Bye. So here's the kids enjoying the spaghetti. This is my plate. We mix it up, and yeah, they're basically enjoying lunch right now. It is their day off, so they're home. Hi. All right, bye guys. Say bye.